Guangdong Jiajiale Electric Appliance Company Limited is located in Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province, is a company which engaged R&D, sales, and service for making high-quality kitchen and bathroom appliance. Main exported major market of the products including Africa, Southeast Asia, Middle East, East Asia, and South America. We will take efforts to develop more overseas markets in future. As a professional OEM and ODM manufacturer, in the past for a long time, we have been developing and introducing many of new style to catch up with the growing make electric water heater and enhance the quality. Jiajiale Electric Appliance is always focusing on high technology on the production line. Also, we concentrate on providing better service to our customer. Clients are our priority is the most important principle in our company. Moreover, we are committed to the improvement of high quality. With an efficient QC team for each procedure of the production, our products has passed CE, RoHS, CB, and REACH certification. Jiajiale Electric Appliance will continue to adhere to our business philosophy of customer-first, quality-oriented, mutually beneficial cooperation principles to sincerely provide high-quality products and efficient services to our customers. As a stable and fast-growing enterprise, we will constantly keep abreast of the world, improve production and equipment to provide good products and reliable service. Thank you.